All right. Welcome once again, everybody. Toronto Guy Cooks. Check it out. Today, let's just get right to it. Today we're going to be making something awesome. Today, well, you already saw in the title, today we're going to be making an amazing hummus, not just a regular hummus. We are going to be making a sour cream and onion hummus. Now, my original intention was to make a goat cheese and roasted red pepper hummus, which I've made before. I made it during my Christmas holidays last year. But unfortunately, the market across the street did not have any goat cheese in stock. So instead, I thought, you know what? Let's go with something else, something I've never done. I thought potato chips just suddenly hit my mind. I thought sour cream and onion. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sour cream and onion hummus. Now, you probably noticed this. Toronto Guy does not have the closest thing that I have to an electric food processor is the Magic Bullet. Now, I love my Magic Bullet, but I don't give a damn what the infomercial says. The Magic Bullet is not strong enough to make hummus. So I do it via this awesome little $15 piece of equipment here from Starfrit. I go like this and this. Yes, it's work, but damn it, I'm beastly, so I can handle it. So let's do it. Plus, it just gives you more control, man. Because you push one of those buttons on one of those expensive food processors and before you know it, your hummus has turned into like a fucking soup. So at least I can control it. Now, let's go over the ingredients. Of course, we've got 3 cups of chickpeas, canned chickpeas. Here is, came from this, 796 milliliters, 28 flowing ounces. I got mail. This one can here is 3 cups. I measured it because I did a test run of hummus this past weekend. I did not have sour creams, but I just did a test run anyway. That can of chickpeas you saw right there, 3 cups of chickpeas, 88 cents. Come on, people. Eating on a budget, you can eat awesomely. All right, what else we got? We got some onions, 4 hours. This is about a quarter of an onion, chopped. However, because the rest of the chopping will be done in the little thingamajiggy. We got this is a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We've got a 1/4 cup of tahini. Tahini is a cheap, well, you buy a thing of tahini for about $5 and you can make probably about 10 things of hummus with it. So that's why I say, you know, you can. It's not only cheap, it's also healthy. Chickpeas are healthy. Putting good stuff in here. We got our sour cream, which we're gonna put in it for our sour cream and onion. Oh, with dill. Got some fresh dill. Also, about a 1/4 cup of the chickpea juice that was in the can, put aside just in case we need it to add some liquidy to it. You can use water, but water's got no flavor for crying out loud. Use the friggin' chickpea juice. We've got 4 cloves of garlic chopped up roughly. The rest of the chopping will be done in the machine or the manual machine. We've got 1.5 teaspoons of ground onion powder, granulated onion, 1.5 teaspoons of granulated garlic, and 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin. Oh, the cumin just punched me in the nose with its awesomeness. I want to make out with it until people call me a fucking sicko. All right, now let's start now. We're gonna start with the chickpeas in our awesome little machine, baby. Let's do this. All right, there we go. Now what I do is some recipes will say just put everything in the thing at once and there you go. No, I like to go one step at a time. Do it your own way, by all means. But if you die, then don't blame me. All right, so here we go. We're gonna give this a few pulses with my beastly manliness and my lack of a food processor. Why don't I have a big expensive one? Well, because I hardly use food processing anyway. So there's no point in buying one unless somebody wants to buy one for me. Plus, they're a bitch to clean. I do know that. That's all I've ever heard is they're a bitch to clean. This thing is easy to clean. Boom, 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 done. All right, so let's grind it on up until not too much, just enough to just turn it into like a bunch of pulp. Let's do that now. All right, how's that? Good enough? There we go. Now you have to do this with the fruit processor as well when you're making hummus, I've heard. You have to keep doing this. Get it off the sides because we're gonna keep pulsing and grinding and hummusing. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so that's nice and grinded up. Good enough for the get-go. Now we're gonna start adding. We're gonna add our onion. Yeah, baby. Tell you, man, the hummus I made on the weekend, which was an onion, just simple onion and dill, because I forgot to pick up sour cream this past weekend, was awesome. Was awesome. No surprise. I mean, for crying out loud, I'm an awesome cook. Gonna throw our garlic in there too. All right. Now we're gonna chop that up. We're gonna do some more grinding, baby, with our manliness. Yeah. Yeah. All right. There we go. Now we'll take it off the edges again. We're gonna add our spices and our seasonings. This is so easy to make. Obviously, it'd be quicker with a food processor, but you know what would not be quicker if you used a food processor? The cleanup. Cleanup is so easy with this awesome little star fruit machine for like 15 bucks at Walmart, baby. All right, now we're gonna add our ground cumin. There we go, just sprinkle it over a bit. We got our ground garlic. Even though we're using fresh garlic, also using some powdered garlic to add just to do it. Now we don't want to overflow the hummus with the sour cream and onion flavoring and stuff because bloody hell. Like then it'll just be a big mess of, what the hell? Like if you want to have all that much, just buy a friggin' tub of sour cream, chop up some onions, put it in the sour cream, grab a spoon and there you go, all right? We're not gonna drown this stuff in sour cream and onion, all right? Deal with it. Now, let's do this a bit more, get it off of the edges before we grind it again. Oh, it smells amazing already, man, I'm telling you. Good Lord. Oh, hummus, baby. And hummus is healthy. And chickpeas are not beans, so you can just eat a whole bunch of them. I mean, you're not gonna get the major shits like you would if you ate like beans. Chickpeas are peas. All right, so let's give it another mix up. Sometimes after a while, after I've done the clockwise thing, I'll go reverse, just because that's what I do. So if you see me doing that, that's why. All right, now it's still thick. Now we're gonna start adding our liquidy stuff in order to turn it into like a nice, thick, creamy batch of awesomeness for me and nobody else. All right, let's add our lemon juice. Gonna save our chickpea water for the end, just in case we need it. All right, our lemon juice. Ah, yeah, baby. Let's add our tahini. Tahini, baby, which is sesame seed paste. Now, let me see. The smell of tahini, it's fine. It's not, it's like, I don't hate it, but I remember I was at my brother's, this was some years ago back when we were still talking and shit. He came up to me with like sesame oil or something. He said, "Hey, Toronto guy, smell this." And I smelled it and I felt like I was gonna throw up because it was so friggin' just filled with sesame blood. It's like, what the fuck are you doing? Trying to kill me? Bloody hell. All right, get in there. Give it another grind, baby. All right. Love it. Oh, it smells amazing, man. Damn. All right, let's see how it's looking. Looking good. We are now going to add, looks like we do need some of our juice, some of our chickpea juice. Let's add a little bit of our sour cream. Oh, you see, I'm out of breath. Not because I'm tired from doing the grinding, but damn it, I'm excited. It's like, damn. It's like, you know, it's a lot of work to be excited and cook something awesome at the same time. So let's use about a tablespoon. We'll do that. There we go. Hurry up and get in there. Oh, sour cream. I love it, babe. Oh. Beautiful. All right, let's give it another grind up. Get out of the way, man. You've had your turn. You're not done yet. I may need you. All right, let's grind it up again. All right. Oh, it's coming along, baby. It's getting that creaminess. Gonna need a little more of the chickpea water. And then we'll add our dill, and then we're pretty much done. Just gotta plate it or bowl it. And oh man, this is so good. This smells so freaking awesome, man. Damn. Oh man. Oh. All right. Let's don't want to waste any. I don't want any to get out. You know what I mean? So get in there. You're eventually gonna go in my belly. Deal with it. Let's grind it up some more. Let's add some more of the. You could do like a quarter cup of this or a half a cup of the chickpea water. It's basically just in case you need it, in case you need to, you want your hummus more liquidy and you don't want to use water, you want to use something that actually has some flavor, use the hummus, the chickpea water. All right, let's grind some more. Let's check on it. How's it doing? Oh, it's so... Oh. Don't mind if I do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so freaking good. Bloody hell. Alright. Oh. Now I am feeling tired because I'm just so excited. Oh yeah. Alright. Finally, let's add our dill. Let's add our fresh dill. I'm not going to chop it up because I don't want any of the flavor to be left on the board. All the flavor is going to be chopped up and it's going to go into the hummus. Fresh dill, baby. If you like dill pickle chips, you love fresh dill. And it's cheap. All this, well actually I had more. I made it this weekend too. I used it this weekend. 99 cents. There you go. Oh, I'm just too excited, man. This is coming out awesome. Oh. You see, I get excited when I cook and things are going well, man. just the process of it. To see it coming along and working out, it's like, damn, it's working. It gets me more excited and holy moly. All right. Let's do one last grind. Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it. See, I'm breathing heavy, but I still have the man power to do this because I'm beastly. Yeah, all right. All right, let's check it. Oh, I wanna make out with my hummus. Yeah, baby. That's a nice Me Too moment. That's right, all right. I think we're done. Let's check on it. Yep. Of course, if you want it thinner, just keep grinding. Add more of the chickpea juice. Oh, it's perfect. Why? I mean, I'm just waiting to fail so I can at least fail one time and show people. But it's impossible to fail when you're so awesome. All right. Ooh, there's a chickpea. A few of them, I guess, got stuck in the hole. So you got stuck in the little hole, so I'll eat them. Thought you were gonna get away, did you? Whatever. I'm gonna lick the blades and risk cutting off my tongue. Someone's banging. Well, that's okay, because I'm eating hummus. Oh, man. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I'm gonna give my fingers a blowjob. Holy moly. All right. Let's dabble some out. Let's get some out. We're gonna top it with like a little glob of sour cream for the visual effect. All right, look at it. Oh, man, it's punching me in the face, man. I should accuse it of assault, and its punishment will be me eating it. Yeah, man. Sour cream and onion hummus. Be careful, man. You're getting shit all over the place, damn it. How's that? That's good enough. So, no. Give me a fork. All right, let's make some marks in it to add some looks and stuff. Just like this, just whatever. Yeah, there we go. Oh, all right. I just want to eat it now, man. It's like, screw the video. Let me just eat it now. All right. Let me also get some dill too. Get a little tiny thing of dill to go with it. There we go. Almost dropped the sour cream on the floor. That would have been the big failure, but you would have missed it. It wasn't going to be on screen. All right. Let's add a little bit, just a touch of sour cream on the top for the picture garnish. Give me a little thing of dill. There's more. It landed on the mic. There we go. There we go. Now here it is. Obviously, as usual, unfortunately, the lighting in here does no justice. So I'm going to go take a picture and insert it right here. And there we have it. How long did that take? Like 10 minutes? 15 tops? Simple. And it made a bunch of it. I'll probably take about a cup of it or so and take it to a coworker because the coworker's cool. Other than that, the rest is mine. And let me just say this too. Hummus isn't just for dipping. Bloody hell, use it as a sandwich spread. You know, if you're making a ham sandwich with cheese or something, instead of putting mayo and mustard on it, spread some friggin' hummus on it. You know what I've also done before is I've made a pasta with a hummus pasta sauce, and it was friggin' awesome. Hell, make a potato salad and use the hummus as the thick awesomeness. But there we go. Hummus, very easy to make, inexpensive. Can of chickpeas, a big can of chickpeas, 88 cents, even less if it goes on sale. And there we go. Simple. Patreon.com/TorontoGuy. Give me money, or don't. Not that, you know, I'm like desperate or anything. Damn it. But yeah, there we go. As usual, if you're pissed off about shit you're seeing online, get off the damn internet, get off the social media, stop getting involved in all that shit. All the crap going on in the political world right now, you know what it is? It's just a bunch of adults acting like children, and it doesn't matter what fucking side they are on, they're all doing it, so get your head out of the gutter. When I started doing that, finally, it's like, damn, life is actually a blank canvas when you're not consuming yourself with the bullshit that you see on the internet. You make your own fun, baby. And this is fun. This has been Toronto Guy. Eat well, make hummus, and thank me for teaching you how to make good hummus. And stay tuned next time. This is mine, and none for all of you. But by all means, hey, if you have any ideas for combinations of hummus, let me know, because one thing I love to make is hummus, and I'll try your idea, and maybe I'll even film it and say, this hummus idea was brought to you by blah, blah, blah. And there we go. So patreon.com/TorontoGuy. I'm going to stop rambling. Enjoy everything. Stop being pissed. Enjoy life. Make your own rules and all that stuff. Just don't break any laws. Have an awesome day. Patreon.com/TorontoGuy.